In this video, I want to show you how to change and or clean the filter in your Ryobi wet dry vac. This is the cordless version. Nice lightweight unit. It's really handy. To change the filter, you just unclip these just like you were going to empty it. Lift this off and your filter is right here. This isn't too bad, but I'm going to show you how to clean it. First, to take it off, all you do is grab this, twist it counterclockwise, and it comes right out like this. It has these little tabs that lock it in right here. So to clean this, what I like to do, first thing is grab a trash barrel and just kind of tap this, get the bulk of this stuff up out of here. And then a lot of stuff will get stuck in between these fins. So you could use something like a small flathead screwdriver and try and get that out. That actually gets a lot of stuff out of there. But what I like to do is I use a hooked pick, something like this. And I'm just really careful because I don't want to put a hole in this. I'll just run it in here, and that'll get right down in there. See how it's really tight in there? I can get all of this stuff out of here, like that. So I do that in between every single fin, like this. And at this point, if you wanted to, because this is washable and reusable, you can clean this with some mild dish detergent and water and just let it dry out as much as you can before you put it in the vacuum, and you'll basically have a brand new filter. If you didn't want to clean it, you can buy a new one, same thing, and replace it. And to put it back, you just line up those tabs here and all around. There's 3 of them. They go in like this. Turn it clockwise, and you're good to go. So, really easy, really simple, but if you didn't know, now you know. Thanks for watching. Hope it helps.